Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how we can get maximum orders with the help of Fiverr by request. As I have mentioned in my previous video, there are two types of freelancing. First, where freelancer lists his services called gigs. Second, the client lists the services he is looking for called by request. In the previous video we discussed the first freelancing type, how to create gig. If you haven't watched that video, you can click the link on the top right corner to see that video. Now we will discuss the second type, where we will send offers on the buy request. From the main menu tab you can click on more and then select buy request. Now you can see requests from the buyers which are showing against your gigs category. If you haven't published any gig, you won't see any buy request. New accounts can send offers to buy request, but to keep sending buy request you need to maintain the 4.9 star rating and 90% order completion. Here is the tip for the better use of buy request. Published all 7 gigs before sending offer to buy request. In this scenario, you will have better chances to distribute all of your skills through 10 offers which you can get on daily basis. In the active tab you can see the request from the buyer. You can bid on any, but before sending offers you need to consider some points to get more orders. Number 1. First thing, you need to read every single word and understand before sending the offer. Click on see more button to view the full content of the buyer. Read every single detail of the buyer request, understand, filter, and then send the offer. Do not send any pre-written offer. You need to read every single project, understand that project, and mention some words or technical terms from that project. So whenever the client reads out the offer from you, he will definitely assign the project. Always see the budget of client in which you can easily do that services and he can afford. Select the time in which you can easily do that task. Offer scope is different for every single category, so carefully select the options which you can give in the certain price. Try to give some extra, everybody like extras. The main point, whenever the buyer contacts you for any project and asks for some trial or free sample or just to see your capability, do not provide any kind of work to that person if he is from Asian countries, Middle East or African subcontinent. These are very common tricks for scamming. By working on these tips you can get more orders than other freelancers on Fiverr. In the next video we will talk about some tips and tricks. After that we are going to start a series of videos in which we will teach you how you can offer same services with people are making thousands of dollars on Fiverr. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till next video, take care.